How to use resume worded. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important point. Let's get started. If you want to land your dream job faster, this quick guide will show you how to use resume word to enhance your resume and LinkedIn profile like a pro. Go to resumeworded.com, no installation needed, and click on upload resume or get started for free. Upload your resume in either PDF or Word format. The AI will analyze your document and provide a score out of 100. Offering feedback on areas like impact, brevity, keywords, and formatting, it highlights weak verbs, missing metrics, and vague descriptions, helping you identify areas for improvement. You can click on the provided tips to get examples of how to rewrite sections more effectively. Additionally, you can target your resume to a specific job description by pasting the job listing into the targeted resume section. The tool will show you any missing keywords or skill. Use the LinkedIn review tool to enhance your online profile as well. This tool provides a score, visibility tips, and suggestions to make your profile more attractive to recruiters. Finally, check out the additional tools such as career word banks, networking email templates, and personal branding resources. That's how you can use Resume Worded to make your application stand out perfect for job seekers who want to stay ahead with smart, efficient tools. That's it.